Now that you've had your DEH-6300UB professionally installed, it's a good idea to go through the initial setup menu. Let's take a closer look.
The DEH-6300UB has an initial setup menu that you should take a look at when your radio is installed. To get to the initial setup menu, you want power to the radio, but you need to turn the source off. So press and hold the source key for a couple of seconds till the radio powers off. Now, press the rotary commander in for a couple of seconds and you'll get to the clock setup. If we turn from clock, we get to auxiliary on. That means auxiliary will show up in the source menu if you want that. If you don't, you can turn that off. USB plug and play right now is turned on. That means that when you plug in your iPod or a USB memory card, the system will automatically start to play from that source. You can turn that off, but then you'd have to switch to the source if you want to play the USB or the iPod. The next one is Subwoofer Control. Let's take a look inside here. Press enter, and the rear speakers are shown now playing at full range. If we want, we can change the rear speaker to play in subwoofer mode, or we can change it to play back at full range. If I press the rotary commander in again, I can change from rear speaker to the pre-out. The RCA pre-out can be set to play in subwoofer or in full range, just like the rear speakers. Next on the list is demo mode. Some retailers like to use the demo mode to show off the radio while it's in their display board. Most people, once it's installed in their car, like to turn the demo mode off. Everscroll will scroll text across the screen for things like MP3 or RDS tuning. If you don't want Everscroll on, just switch it off. It'll scroll once across the screen, then it'll stop scrolling. And we're back around to our clock setup mode.